Now our motto determine domain of f of x. So how can we determine? First of all, we have taken, if this one is g, we have checked that function defined only if 6 minus x is greater than 0, or you can say that minus 6 plus x. So it is written as minus infinity to 6. Clear? Close interval, because of greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, that's why 6. What about this one? This function defined only, so you can say that x 4 to infinity. Clear? Only x is, that function defined only x is greater than, only for 4 to infinity. 4 to infinity means, what is the meaning of this one? If any value select between 4 to infinity, suppose that 5, we have select value 5, put here 5 minus 4, we got 1, that is defined. That function is defined or not? Okay. So if anyone asks corresponding to that one, what about domain of that function? So it is written as 4 to infinity. Okay. That is close interval 4 to infinity, and that is one is open interval. Clear or not? Similarly, here anyone asks domain of that function, means defined function, means which value for that function is defined for x. Okay, we check minus infinity to 6 close interval, means select any value corresponding to minus infinity to 6. Suppose that we have select 5, put here 6 minus 5, we got 1, under root 1 is 1, so that is defined function. Clear or not? Means, so domain of that function is minus infinity to 6. Clear or not? And similarly also, our motto determine domain. Okay, our motto determine f of x, domain of f of x. So how can check? First of all, we read our line curve method. Minus infinity to 6, that is 6, here 5, 4, 3, here 4, here 5, here 3, here 7, close interval, that's why dot. And 4 to infinity means like this one. Clear? So common part between these two, that one common part. So x is written as 4 to 6. Clear or not? Means you can say that intersection of these two. Okay, that is intersection of these two, we got domain of f of x. Clear or not? Now put here, if select value between 4 to 6 are equal to 4, equal to 6. If you put here 4, 0 means defined, under root 0, that is 0. And if put here 4, 6 minus 4, that is 2, under root 2 is also defined. So f of x is defined at 4, and in between any value select 4 to 6, then define. It is defined function. Okay, basically domain is our motto define domain. Domain means for which value that function is defined. Clear or not? For which value x that function is defined or not. Clear? So how can check? First of all, if you two function corresponding that one and that one, and after that draw line curve method. Okay, after that redraw, and finally select this value. Okay, common part of that one, and after that select in between any value and put here are defined or not. So clear or not? So you can say the domain of f of x, that is 4 to 6, close interval. Clear or not? Make it.